Alright, we're going to pick up Jordan. Pretty early and we're tired. Got some ghetto stuff going on. M&H is all shut off.
We're under attack.
You can't get any cocoa here.
Yep, Holly's never closed.
Tour vlog.
Jordy Belly's here.
What the hell?
Nice to meet you. Meanest gun you'll ever see. Keep good care of her. Should have seen how much I oiled it yesterday. Duck senses are kicking in.
That's good.
I don't know if this is going to be as good as yesterday's. This holiday wasn't open.
It was open.
Well, after they got the murder cleaned up.
That was so weird. Owner. Dad. No, wait, no.
Don't swing.
I didn't even get to have a drink of my day.
I don't think these.
I didn't even drink my hot chocolate. Take all the shells from me and stuff. Nice.
Yeah, your gun's not safety.
Whoops. What are cattails? You know you can cook them up.
You can't.
Yeah, you can.
You cannot cook cattails.
It's like rice.
What?
It's like rice.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you can eat it right now.
Do it then.
No. Nope. You gonna watch?
Oh, shit.
That was a coot.
Was it a cool?
That's not a coot.
Pretty sure it was a coot.
That's not a coot.
Answer, baby.
Oh, it's right
There
there.
he is. No, it's not a cool.
Got him. Ears are gone.
Got him.
Ever put a cattail in your gun and shoot it?
As you can see, boys, we are in the army. Go.
As you see, boys, we are in the army. Yep.
God dang it.
I winged them. No, but I winged the heck out of that thing.
These two, I thought, if I hit one, I'm never going to find him.
Like this arrow? No, it won't. As you see here, boys, we are in the army.
For the touchdown. Minnesota Vikings.